A pre-owned 2020 Volvo XC60 T5. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 63,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.